challenge that took your brother to Butabika, do you have any history in your family?
And is what?
My Lord, okay.
Because we need to know the history you want.
Much obliged, my Lord. A police surgeon came here that your brother.
I am constrained. I'm constrained. Not that, my Lord, we want to suppress whatever evidence that our learned brother wants to bring out. But, my Lord, we have rules on how evidence in chief is led so that it comes out naturally from a witness without counsel appearing to suggest the line of answers. My Lord, we pray that we be understood so that we are all at peace.
I agree with you because when Mr. Okello was speaking to us alone, he didn't mention anything like that. So he would not be the right person to talk about it and when you're using this evidence. So you can get the information you want, but in another way.
Much obliged, my Lord. Tell us any history of your family.
That is also very broad, Mr. Okello.
Okay, you have told.
You want it.
Much obliged, my Lord. You have told this honorable court your brother was in Butabika. Any history for that reason that took him to Butabika?
You see, even the witness says the doctors did not tell him. So we do not know, right now, we do not know what challenge it is. And I think that is what we should be interested in getting.
My Lord, since it has come to the knowledge of court, before even this witness came, let me make this humble application.
You want to make an application in the midst of the evidence of the witness?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay, let's proceed with your application, please.
My Lord, this application is brought under Article 28 of the Constitution, the doctrine of fair hearing. And Section 46 of the Trial on Indictment Act. My Lord, briefly it states.
No, don't, we shall read, but just what is your prayer or your application?
My application is that the doctors of Butabika should come to this court since from the prosecution evidence it is on record that he was there.
Can we please bring the context?
Yes, my Lord.
Please, let's
according to PF 24, my Lord. But he has that history. Under this section 46, there should be an inquiry about the health status of the accused before this honorable court. 2, to come actually tell this court whether it is true the accused has ever been in this hospital for people with mental challenges. I do believe and submit that it is the quest for justice that has brought us here all. This government institution shall be able to tell us in case he was their client at a certain time in life, his health status. And also, they will be able to tell us whether, as of now, is capable of following the proceedings. And to be put on his stand, matters has finished. Thank you, my Lord.
Do you have a specific doctor you would like the court to call?
My Lord, this information came from both police file, during evidence.
No, now you are doing your defense because you have to guide the court. Because if you say, first of all, if you say that I should tell the doctors of Butabika to come, who do I call and who do I leave there?
My Lord,
I need your guidance.
my Lord, if an order is made with the administrative staff of Butabika, they will search for records to find out who exactly dealt with him, and they will be able to address court in case there is that information.
Okay, do you have the time frame? The period that they should look for?
My Lord, in the wisdom of this court, I do not have powers to order Butabika. It will be the court order to give the time frame.
The information, and I'm asking you, I should give an order that is clear.
The order should state whether this person has ever been in the Butabika hospital as a client.
Okay, fine. Let me hear from the prosecution if you have any reply.
My Lord, I'm continuing. And which doctor exactly examined and that in case he's a client, he was a client, they should assign a specific doctor to come and address this honorable court. I pray so, my Lord.